Moo like a cow. I'm so proud of you because you did it again. You did it again and again. You did it again though, cuz I'm so proud of you, fuck nigga. With your little head ass. Your baseball head ass. I'm proud of you though. I know you since you was a baby. Baby. I'm in the car listening to Little Baby. You go off, cuzzo. You keep God in your life, fuck nigga. I'ma keep that pipe in your life too, fuck nigga.
That was the gayest shit I
That
ever.
was so crazy.
You said that was your cousin?
That was the gayest shit.
You said that was your cousin?
Our blood cousin.
That's what